Hey slime queens and slime kings. Today we are going to be trying the Nickelodeon slime kit. So I've tried this before and I've set all the stuff I need. I also needed some water, but it didn't come with instructions. So I guess we're just gonna have to go. So it comes with 2 bowls. It comes with white glue, clear slime glue, slime activator, 2 containers, 2 lids for the containers, a measuring cup, 2 sticks, 1 spoon, paint, and glitter. So let's just get on with the video. So I don't really know what to do because I've done this before, but I used the instructions. So I guess I'm gonna start with the white glue. So I think I'm gonna do 25 up here. Let's just put that in there. Oh, it's open. So we're just gonna I'm gonna do 20. 20 looks better. So there. Then we're gonna put that in there. I guess we just put that in there. Just scoop everything out, make sure you have all of it. I actually tried this, like I said. It actually makes a good amount of slime. So just get that in there. So then I guess you're gonna have to put some water. I guess it doesn't matter if the glue's still in there because I don't know. So we're just gonna, hopefully this doesn't spill. How much I'm putting, you're probably asking. I'm putting 15 on here. I'm gonna pour it in here. Don't need that much. So then we're gonna start mixing. So mix it up. It's a bit watery, like I said. So I'm gonna put just a tiny bit more glue to make it better. So then I'm gonna mix. And this is optional. It says you can add color if you want, or it should just be like, you know, white. So I'm gonna add that. Hopefully it's a light pink because I like light pink. You know, comment down below what's your favorite color. Whoa, what? It's actually kind of activating. That's weird. Okay, I guess it needs a bit more. It's too light. I don't know how it's activating now. That's so weird. So I like the pink I have so far. Okay, so now I guess I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of this and then keep, oh, that was a lot. That was a lot. So I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay. Oh yeah, I could have added glitter. Whoa, what is this? This is confusing. What is this? This did not turn out well. Maybe I overactivated it. Let's try the clear glue. Next. That one didn't really, you know, turn out well, so I'm just gonna, it worked before. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so let's do the same. Let's kind of wash it. I'm just gonna kind of wash it. Because this is clear glue, so I don't want the white glue to spoil the clearness of it. My mom's like, why are you throwing it there? Even though people walk here, but that's okay. You need it. Good luck, people. So now I guess I'm gonna add the clear glue. Hands are sticky. It's nice and clear. It's really clear. So like I said, I'm doing the same. This one came in a really small one, like the activator. So you couldn't really tell which is which. You're just gonna, let's check how much it's at. Nope, not at there yet. Okay. Okay, so let's add it in there. Hopefully it's still clear. Okay, it's nice. This time I'm not gonna add a lot of water because the last, oh wow, I have no water left. so I'm just gonna kind of put a bit of there. I don't want it to ruin. I'm just gonna put a bit in there. Not too watery and not too unwatery. So I'm gonna try the pink again. The pink, I love pink, so that's my pink. It's a neon pink. I think this is the neon kit. And it's also borax free. So I'm just gonna mix that up. Okay, this one's not actually activating up like the last one. So this time I'm gonna add glitter. I'm gonna do it with this one because it's a spoon. So the glitter came with one glitter. They just put a random glitter in there.
So I have a question. Since you say it now activate so quickly, don't you think you have to wait a little bit?
No.
No?
No.
Alright. Just a question.
Can you open this, please?
See, so you need my help.
So it.
You see, she need my help, guys.
Mommy, she's crazy. Sorry, guys.
I wish I call crazy.
I'm calling you crazy. Crazy banana. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing this?
I'm crazy banana, but you're crazy dumpling.
I'm a dumpling. Okay.
How about that look like pear ants are scattered all over
Mom.
the place. What does that tell you what it look like?
Sorry guys, she's a bit
Hey, nobody would eat. Nobody would eat.
So now you come in the video. Oh, I thought it was the activator. See how?
See? She mad. She mad, guys. She mad, you know.
So we're just gonna add that in. So
It look good now. It look like it a come together.
really?
Yeah, really. For real. It look like it a look thickish.
Why am I? Oh my god.
Why you add stupidness to the thing?
My mom will be in the next video with me.
No, sir, me not know that. I pay madness here, though.
We'll see who can make the best slime. clearly it's me.
When I was your age, me not make no slime. You know me make? Mud dolly, straw dolly, all kind of stupidness. I play with kite, marble, achoo, elastic, power. You know what? One day me I buy one pack of elastic.
Mommy.
Alright. Cheese. It look good. Me can't eat that. It look like sparkling something.
It looks like cotton candy with sparkles.
No, so that not look like cotton candy. That look like answer spread all over.
So I guess this turned out more better, but it's needing a little excavator. So you're just gonna.
I wish I saw both. Yeah man, that look good now man. See, you can't take up the thing.
At least this one worked.
Yeah, from you can't take up the thing, it don't work. Cause the next one looks like runny porridge. But that one they can stretch out. You see it? Stretch out.
Okay, I'm doing ASMR.
No, she do ASMR and she not the mic.
Ready?
Watch her.
This is bad ASMR. My slime's better than this. But out of 10, oh my gosh, no. Out of 10, how much would you rate this slime, guys?
The slime?
Not you, mommy.
Oh, me
But how much would you rate it?
Me I rate it 10, call me help you.
How much would you guys rate it? I would rate it, I don't know.
At 10, never gonna rate it. Call me in the video, so at 10.
So this is the slime. So I've why do I keep saying I've? So this is the white glue and this is the clear glue. Out of 10, I would rate it 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.